Should I transfer my house to a family member?
No, you should definitely not do that. And the reason you shouldn't do that is that could essentially amount to what's called a fraudulent transfer. It just so happens that in the bankruptcy law, there is the opportunity for creditors or for the bankruptcy trustee to do what's called avoiding a preference. If, for instance, let's say you owe some money to your sister-in-law, and rather than uh, rather than have that house taken away by some creditor that you don't know and like maybe a credit card company or somebody like that, what you do is you give the house to your sister in payment of the debt, sister-in-law, in payment of the debt to your sister-in-law. Well, your sister-in-law probably, under most circumstances, is what would be called an insider. That means that the trustee can avoid that preference. In other words, roll back the transfer of the house to your sister-in-law for at least a year after after or before the bankruptcy is filed. So, in other words, if if you gave the house away to an insider like your brother, your sister, your mother, your former business partner, someone like that, or your present business partner, your spouse, whoever, if you gave the property away up to a year before that, that preference could be avoided. If you gave the house away up to 3 months to someone who's basically at an arm's length in order to prefer that creditor, let's say to pay them some money, well, that can be avoided too. So the general rule here is don't try and get out of the obligation with regard to your house by giving it away before you file the bankruptcy. Come see us, talk to us, find out what you're allowed to do, what you can do. It may be that there's enough of an exemption under the state laws that are used in the federal bankruptcy court for determining how much equity you get to keep in a house. And you don't need to get rid of the property at all because you get to keep it no matter what. Come talk to us. Give us a call for a free initial consultation. You can call us at 888 FAIR PRICE.